after a long and restrictive lockdown, measures are being lifted there today. It is the city's 6th lockdown, and at last there's some relief for residents, as our correspondent Richelle Harrison Plesse explains.
It spent a total of 263 days in lockdown during the pandemic. Now, the rules in Victoria State are loosening for fully vaccinated residents only after the state hit its 70% double-dose vaccination target earlier this week. So that means no more travel limits, no more curfews, bars and restaurants are reopening, and indoor and outdoor gatherings can occur once again. Now, when the state reaches 80% double-dose vaccination, which is expected sometime early next month, restrictions are set to ease even further. But the other big news today is that fully vaccinated overseas arrivals will no longer have to go through hotel quarantine in Melbourne starting November the 1st, bringing it in line with Sydney. So both cities are reopening their international borders after being shut for more than 19 months.
Right, lots of good news there then, Richelle. But is the COVID situation in Melbourne actually under control? Because the lockdown ends as the state of Victoria recorded its second highest daily case number.
Well, case numbers remain stubbornly high in Victoria State, but emerging from this 6th lockdown is part of the state's living with COVID strategy after ditching the COVID zero approach. But the state government says it is confident that the health system will be able to cope given the high vaccination rates. The local branch of the Australian Medical Association, however, says that hospitals there are under a lot of pressure, and that's why they've said that those who don't believe in COVID or those who are anti-vaccine should not seek public health care if they catch the coronavirus. Now, in extraordinary comments today, the Victorian branch of the AMA said that if somebody who denies COVID's existence or refuses the vaccine then gets infected as the state reopens, well, then that they should, quote, let nature run its course.